If you want to count steps by using your Poco C85 and, for example, add this steps counter into your home screen, first of all, what you have to do is just to open the Google Play Store and input that phrase, step counter pedometer. I can recommend you this application, it's highly rated and there's a lot of downloads. But of course you can pick any application that you want if you don't like, for example, how it looks. Now we have to open this application for the first and accept all of those incoming notifications. Wait for the loading screen. Sometimes you will get this ads when you open this application because it's completely free, but you can close them by clicking here on this arrow and then by clicking on X. Now just wait for the loading screen. You can select your gender, so that's how it looks in my case. Select your height. You can also change to the details, your weight. There we go. And now click start. And you are inputting all of this data to track your calories and steps more accurate. Click allow to accept all of those permissions. We have to also grant permissions required to protect apps and auto start. So we have to click to go to set. Now we have to select no restrictions, go back again, and go for the automatic start. So click to go set. We are redirected automatically, so we have to find this application, the steps counter, which is located here, and click on its switcher to allow start in the background. Now click X, and now we did it, so we have to click done. Now as you can see, we did it successfully, and we can change our goal steps by clicking here, and you can add them. For example, there's a lot of options that you can find here. And you can find your today, daily, some plans. There's a lot of things. And right now, when you click and hold your empty space and go to the widgets, you have to search for this specific widget of this application. So let's do this. It will be probably available somewhere at the bottom. We got the Me browser, Temu application, calculator, radio, WhatsApp, calendar. And here there's the step counter. So in my opinion, I would like to get maybe this one, 2x1. So I have to click on it. And now we can place it wherever you want. For example, I want to put it here in the right bottom corner and click done. And it will be visible here. And when you tap on it, you can quickly open this application. That's basically everything for this video.